Well, it's been an emotionally charged week for the Aussie dollar, which had a pretty big jump ahead of Donald Trump's inauguration because people thought he was going to tone down his rhetoric about trade wars. But it didn't take long for them to be proved wrong, and the currency fell. That's after the president effectively said no such luck, especially against Mexico and Canada. Then it rose again, as they threatened China and Europe with tariffs, but without giving too much detail. And now, apparently things are good again, because Trump said his last conversation with Chinese President Xi Jinping was a friendly one, and it might be possible for them to reach a trade deal. So that sent the Aussie dollar flying above 63 US cents, its highest level in 5 weeks. And it briefly fell below 98 yen after the Bank of Japan lifted interest rates to 0.5%, the highest it's been since the global financial crisis. Meanwhile, the share market went up slightly by 0.3%, with discretionary retailers like Premier Investments among today's best performers. Kogan, however, absolutely tanked, despite reporting its half-year sales jumped 10%. But apparently, that wasn't good enough. Overseas, Wall Street hit a new record high, while Chinese markets really took off after Trump talked about his friendly chat with Xi. In commodities, oil fell, iron ore was steady, and the Australian gold price is hovering below its record high. But perhaps the most precious commodity of all, especially if you're in an American jail or at risk of being sent there, isn't so rare anymore. US presidents have been dishing out pardons like lollies over the past decade, though it certainly helps if you're related to one or just storming the Capitol. And that's finance.